He is a mean-looking bear. Close that door. Close that door, quick. Yeah. All right, he just went running. Sorry. He's gonna come back though.
He should be scared of me.
Turn the kitchen light off. Holy shit, he's scary looking.
He should be scared.
He's huge.
Go away. Oh, hell no.
Nope. Oh, he's scary.
Hey, shut up.
No, it's okay. Oh, sorry. Look at the size of him.
Hey!
Oh, there's nothing we can do. Oh my God.
Get off my feeders.
All right, hold on. Look at the size of his paws.
Oh.
Shit. All right, hold on.